Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how you can change your Firefox background wallpaper. Let's get started. So first things first, you're going to want to open up Firefox. Once you do that, go ahead and click on the new tab option. Now once you've done that, there should be a gear icon in the upper right corner of the new tab page. And once you've clicked that, you should see a drop-down option of Customize. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're at the customization menu, you'll see an option to change the background. You can easily select from Firefox's predefined backgrounds. They offer various scenic backgrounds, or you can upload your own background image if you'd like to use your own custom image, of course. Once you've selected your background, go ahead and simply click Save your changes. And once you've done that, go ahead and close that settings and open up a new tab, and there you have it. You should be able to view your new Firefox background wallpaper. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.